कौन बंद।
के कठिन कंपटीशन के उपरांत जिम्मेवारों ने विषय में सर्वाधिक अंक प्राप्त किए वह मंच की तरफ एक कठिन से पुरस्कार प्राप्त करने के लिए मार्च करते हुए का कठिन प्रशिक्षण के उपरांत इनका अथक परिश्रम और धैर्य है जो इन्हें इस मुकाम तक ले आया। इनके लिए कहना मिथ्या नहीं होगा कि हम उन खड़ा रहा तो अपने पद पर लाभ पाने में मेरी सफलता या मरने में।
पुरस्कार विजेता सामने से
As you all are viewing, the pride performers of the 44 weeks basic training are heading towards the dais for getting rewarded by the chief guest. This is indeed a pride moment for them, and truly it is a dream come true situation for any of the trainee to be getting adjudged the best.
आरक्षी यश कुमार इंदौर की सभी विषय में सर्वाधिक अंक प्राप्त करके बेस्ट इंदौर का खिताब जीता है। इन्हें बेस्ट इंदौर ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा नगद पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया जा रहा है। आरक्षी यश कुमार।
Constable Avinash Sarkar. During 44 weeks of training, he performed extremely well in outdoor subjects. He is adjudged the best outdoor training. He is being awarded with a certificate, a trophy and a cash reward. Constable Avinash Sarkar.
आरक्षी शगुल के आर विभिन्न हथियारों की भारी स्पर्धा में सर्वाधिक अंक लेकर बेस्ट शूटर का खिताब जीता है। इन्हें बेस्ट शूटर ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा नगद पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया जा रहा है। आरक्षी शगुल के आर।
Constable Vivek Kumar Tiwari. During the course of entire training, excelled in indoor as well as outdoor subjects, and he has been adjudged the best all-round trainee. He is being awarded with a certificate, a trophy and a cash reward. Constable Vivek Kumar Tiwari.
मुख्य आरक्षी रामस्वरूप चंबाली सप्तों के प्रशिक्षण के दौरान अपनी मेहनत और लगन का परिचय देते हुए प्रूथोन की भूमिका निभाई है। इन्हें सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रशिक्षक ट्रॉफी तथा प्रशस्ति पत्र व नगद पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया जा रहा है। मुख्य आरक्षी रामस्वरूप। धन्यवाद महोदय। पुरस्कार विजेता पुरस्कार प्राप्त करने के उपरांत अपने निर्धारित स्थान की ओर तेज कदमों से नहीं डरे हम हैं वीरों की संतान। विपत्तियों से नहीं डरे हम हैं वीरों की संतान। परमवीर बन इस भारत को सदा रखे राष्ट्र महान। तन मन धन न्यौछावर कर दे बने रहे इस देश किसान। ये है भारत की पहचान, ये है भारत की पहचान।
Be steadfast, have patience in your endeavors. Endure all kinds of pains and suffering. You will be successful, and yes, these constables marching have their endurance and patience. For it is rightly said, good is the best. Never let it rest until the good becomes the better and the better becomes the best. We have the stars up here moving back to their positions.
अपने नवासी प्रशिक्षण संस्थान के प्राचार्य महोदय को आज्ञा करता हूँ कि आज के आयोजन के मुख्य अतिथि महोदय के स्वागत में अपना वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत करें।
Respected Sri Vijay Singh Yadav IPS, IG Training CRPF, Srimati V.S. Yadav, Sri Shashi Vattakoval, Chairman, Payyanur Municipality, other distinguished invitees, staff, trainees, newly passed out constables, their proud parents, students and staff of two colleges and one school who have come here to witness this parade, ladies and gentlemen. We proudly say that we have achieved many firsts in this RTC ever since it started functioning in this premises in 2007. Chief Minister of Kerala was the chief guest of passing out parade for the first time ever when batch number 129 passed out in 2012. Honorable Union Home Minister Sri Mullapalli Ramachandran and State Home Minister Sri Thiruvanchur Radhakrishnan were chief guests for POP in 2013 and 2014 respectively. Besides this, the Vice Admirals of Indian Naval Academy and very senior CRPF officers were also chief guests during various passing out parades. Today, we are honored to have the gracious presence of Sri Vijay Singh Yadav IPS, IG Trainee CRPF, as chief guest of this POP of batch number 140. On behalf of the staff, trainees and families of this institute, I welcome Sri Vijay Singh Yadav and Mrs. B.S. Yadav to this parade. I also welcome Sri Shashi Vattakoval, the newly adored chairman of Payanur Nagara Sabha, to this parade. I also welcome other distinguished invitees and each of you present here and all the invitees to this POP. Sir, this batch of recruits started their training on 2nd December 2014. Most of the boys have come from Jharkhand state. Smaller numbers are from Karnataka, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Kerala, and one each from Chhattisgarh and Sikkim. After undergoing rigorous training for almost a year to acquire high degree of physical fitness, skills, knowledge and tactics of counter-insurgency, anti-Naxalite and anti-terrorist operations, jungle survival, and a number of other training and operational inputs, today 407 recruits have taken oath of serving the nation. Sir, the training of these recruits was possible due to the indomitable spirit, great devotion, commitment, and tireless efforts of the instructors who inculcated in them the spirit of serving the nation in the face of great adversity and challenges. These newly trained constables are now masters of their trade craft. Indeed, our nation has great expectations from them to provide security to its law-abiding citizens. They will now be deployed in various theatres of our country to fight the nefarious activities of anti-national elements. I am sure with the kind of training they underwent in this institute, they will prove to be nightmare to those who dare to act against the unity and integrity of our nation. Sir, regarding this institute, our presence in this area helped the remote place to develop in many ways. Within a span of 8 years, the otherwise barren and uninhabited neighborhood has developed into an area of activities, and our presence was the reason for coming up of a busy market close by. Many local people are engaged in direct or indirect business with our institute by way of supplying essential articles of daily needs, supply of labor and construction materials, etc., and thereby benefiting economically and in turn contributing to the prosperity of this region. Lots of families have shifted to the surrounding areas of our campus so as to enable their children to have easy access to the Kendriya Vidyalaya functioning in our campus. Approximately 70% of the students are from families residing nearby our campus. The school is presently functioning in the prefabricated huts provided by this RTC. I am glad to announce that on 26th of last month, CRPF and Kendriya Vidyalaya Sanghatan has signed a lease agreement handing over 7.5 acres of land near gate number 1 of this campus for construction of a permanent school building which will come up by end of 2017. Sir, we participate in social, cultural and sporting events organized by the local people and also help the needy locals by donating blood, financial assistance for needy, construction of a house in nearby our campus, etc. Recently, as part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, our boys cleaned the premises of Payanur railway station, Taluk hospital, Cherupuzha town, a few schools nearby, some temples and church premises, and also We cleaned the 2-kilometer stretch of Cherupuzha Payanur Road, which is passing in front of our campus during Gandhi Jayanti. It was all appreciated by each and everyone. The initial resistance against establishment of this camp in this area by local population and the apprehension of rude behavior by post personnel have given way to a cordial and healthy relation of general public with the personnel of this institute. The presence of large local population and students from 2 neighboring colleges and schools are proof to it. We will continue to impart professional training to the recruits and also associate with the local population and contribute in all possible ways to improve the prosperity of this region. I now request the Honorable IG Training to address the gathering and also bless the newly passed out constables with his words of wisdom. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
Pride for the 407 newly elected constables and their families. Dear newly passed out constables, after 44 weeks of grueling training, you all have become true soldiers of CRPF. After completion of training, when the youth is deployed for the service of nation, he is excited and ready to face any challenge. I see the same excitement on your faces. As you all know, you are now proud members of the world's largest paramilitary force, that is CRPF. Today, most of the responsibilities of internal security have been given to CRPF, and they are performing those duties with outstanding zeal and perfection. As to the sectoral force, and its strengths are very high. Our force consists of persons from different states, following different religions, speaking different languages, but we all live together as a family. CRPF is also called a mini India because of its diversity and compulsion. People are from all states of the country. Seeing our performance and achievements, there is huge demand for the service of CRPF in almost every state. While the POT is the culmination of one part of your job, the next phase will start very soon. You will be required in various places of the country, in national affected areas, in J&K, in difficult terrain of Northeast to fight militants, insurgents, or terrorists. For a CRPF man, there is hardly a peace situation or peace area. In every table, you face a different type of challenge. The training you receive from this artistry, the tactics you have learned, the physical fitness you have achieved, and the science skills you have honed will certainly help in facing these challenges in every moment of your life. Remember the good and don'ts told by the stars. Wherever you are deployed, whether in J&K or national area or north, you certainly you have helped. What I advise, continue the training wherever you go. You should not lose the physical fitness or forget the tactics you have done. Like you polish your shoes daily to keep it standing, you have to polish your skills to maintain them and use them whenever they are required. You have the constraints of space and time, but continue to practice what you have done here, irrespective of your pocket. It will keep you in good health, both physically and mentally. It's heartening to hear that the presence of this training center in this remote area has been a source of development for the local people. There is no doubt in this any force institute with such a huge number will certainly contribute to the economic growth and development of the local people, local area. I am happy that a lot of social activities are being undertaken by this institute, which not only promotes goodwill with the local people, but also helps in developing the area. We are focusing more on the J&K, Northeast and Western infected areas, but I will request the Artist Association to continue with the civil action activities in this area so that the bonding further improves between the force personnel and the local people. principle, this agreement has been signed between KDS and state authorities. Normally, theatre of land is given for development of areas, but fortunately, by pursuing the donation, we have been allowed to go for lease agreement for 7.5 acres of land. The building will be constructed and almost 70-75% of the capacity of the school will be utilized for the local students. I congratulate you all in this hour of happiness that you will have a school in the vicinity with good facilities. I am highly privileged to be the chief guest of this party of Come Association for Education. You have received high quality training. I appreciate, I congratulate the excellent display of zeal and march. I congratulate the trainers, I congratulate the officers here, I congratulate the constables for a wonderful job. I once again congratulate all the newly passed out constables, their family members, and thank each and everyone present here to witness this fabulous parade. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir.
सावधान! माननीय मुख्याधिकारी महोदय को हर्षध्वनि देंगे। मुख्याधिकारी महोदय की क्रिच खड़े, क्रिच वापस करेंगे, वापस क्रिच। कमांडर्स, मेरे पीछे लाइन बंद, राइट से अच्छा स्थान लो। कमांडर्स, लास्ट निकालेंगे, निकाल। क्लोज।